students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendal Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 4th Maths. Exercise 2.6. Yes students, exercise 2.6 because exercise 2.4 and 5 together I have solved in the previous video. So see students, in exercise 2.6, 3 questions are there, A, B and C, which are totally different but they all are dependent on the topic subtraction. Okay, so see we are starting from question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Okay, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. All 3 I'll solve for you. So see here, 6340 minus 0. So students, some rules are there regarding the 0 digit. What is that? I'll tell you now. So if we are subtracting 0 from any number, either it is 2 digit, 1 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit, whatsoever the number is there. So if we are subtracting 0 from any number, the answer is same. Why? Because subtraction of 0 means subtraction of nothing. 0 means nothing, nil. So simply the number which is given and minus 0 is given, so that same number will be the answer. So see question number 1, 6340 is the number minus 0. So answer will be, students, give us answer please. Yes, 6340. Same number will be the answer because it is giving out 0 numbers. So 0 numbers giving out means nothing. Okay. So now question number 2. 5200 minus dash. So 5200 minus dash is given question number 2. Answer is given here is 5200. Sorry, 5200. So 5200 minus dash is equal to 5200. Question is same. Minus what should be done so that answer will be the same number? Yes, same. See here, same question is there, but blank was here. Now blank is here. So if we are subtracting 0, the answer will be the same number. Yes, students. 5200 minus 0, the answer will be 5200. So we will subtract 0 from that, so that same answer we should get. Yes. So move to question number 3. Students, third one question is, if we are taking one number and the same number we are subtracting from it, like 5 minus 5 or 10 minus 10, 115 minus 115. So if same numbers we are taking in both the place, means the greater number and the smaller number we should tell, or if we are taking the difference of the two number and the two numbers are same, then the answer will be 0. Why? Because for example, I am giving you the example which I had given you in the previous class, that if you are having 12 chocolates, okay, and 12 chocolates you are having, now you are giving 12 chocolates to your younger brother or younger sister. So what will happen? How much chocolate is left with you? 0. Yes, students, 0. So 54,731 minus 54,731, answer is 0. So in this way, question number A you can solve very easily, knowing the rules of subtraction along with the digit 0. Clear to you, students? Now moving to question number B. So students, question number B is subtract and check by addition. Question is subtraction, but you have to check the answer also. How to check? By adding the number. So see, first we have to subtract because here question is subtraction. Subtract first. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. Answer received is, the difference of this and this number is 4021. So see students, now subtraction is done. Now you have to check the answer by addition. How to check that I'll tell you. See students, this arrow is visible to you. So this answer you have to write at the top first, means 4021. Now second number, which one you have to write? The second number of the given question. See, arrow is straight. So simply you have to write this number 1563. So students, after writing this question is checked by addition. You have to add this number. Clear to you? So two numbers are given. Answer you have received after subtraction. That answer you have to write first, and the second number you have to write in the second only, same place. So this answer you should get here. Then your subtraction will be correct. So see now. Subtracting 4021, addition, sorry, not subtraction, here addition will be done for checking. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 0 is addition of 5, same answer 5, same number. Okay, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer I received here is the students 5584. Can you see the number? Which number is matching to this? Yes, this above number from which you have subtracted the given number 5584. So students, for checking of the subtraction, what you have to do? If two numbers you are having, you are subtracting it, you are getting the answer. That answer you have to write first, and the second number you have to write in the second, and you have to add these two numbers, and then you will get this number which is visible to you here. By showing the arrow, I am giving you the clues. This is the number first you have written, and this is the number which you have written in second, and you have added the number until you have received this number. So students, in this way you can subtract the number and you can check it by addition. Now I hope rest of the question of question number B you can solve very easily depending upon the arrows and understanding question number 1. So students, I am moving to question number C now. Estimate each difference, also find the exact difference. So students, in previous exercise we have done this same question by addition. The term used there was sum, estimate each sum and find the exact sum. Now the question is estimate each difference, also find the exact difference. Means sum is there, you have to add, and if difference is there, you have to subtract. So students, question is given here 71 and 59. Round up to the numbers, as I told you how to round up in the previous exercises. So now directly I am rounding it off. 71 will be round up to nearest 10. How to round up? 70 and 80. 1 is there. So simply 70 minus 59 is there. 50 and 60 is the number in between. So this will be 60. 425, 315 to the nearest 100. So this one will be 425 is there. 400 and 500 is the range. And 25 is there less than 50. So it is 400 minus 315. So 300 to 400 less than 50. So it is 300. Now next 5180 is given, students. So 5180 is given. So it will be round up to nearest 1000. So see here 5000 to 6000. So now 180 is less than 500. So it will come to 5000 minus 3992. It will come in the range 3000 to 4000, and this is 992. More than 500 means 4000. So students, now see here 70 minus 60. Estimated sum. Estimated sum means the round up numbers which you have got here. You have to subtract this number. This will be the estimated sum. And the exact sum means the question is given that you have to find, that you have to subtract, and you have to write in the exact difference. Okay. So estimated difference, not sum. Sorry, not sum. It is estimated difference. So simply you have to subtract this. This is the estimated difference. 70 minus 60. 10. 400 minus 300. 100. 5000 minus 4000. 1000. Now, after getting the estimated difference from here, exact difference is the question. So, by subtracting directly, I have written the answers for you, students. Why? Because directly subtraction you are knowing very well. 71 minus 59. Exact difference. It is 12. 425 minus 315. Answer we have received is 110. 5180 minus 3992. The difference received here is 1188. So students, in this way question number C completely I have solved for you. Question number B, one I had solved, rest are same as it is, because the arrow marks are given. By that you can subtract and check the answer by addition, and the roots of the 0 digit is also given in question number A. So in this way we have completed 2.6. So students, you have to complete your copy till year 2.6 by watching this video. Rest questions whatsoever I had left here in question number B, that you can do by watching your book. Thank you for watching.